Now, one of the core aspects of our reality are the elements. And within Chinese medicine, we often look at the elements as holding Hi guys, hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to do a little meditation with the elements of air. Now, when I say we're going to do a meditation with air, what I mean to say is that we are going to try to embody the spirit of air, the energy of air. And by embodying it, we can enhance certain areas of our lives. And by gaining its energy, we can fully embrace its energy in our own lives. Because the element of air is not only the air around us, but it also has a place within us and within the more energy of our spirit. And this is known as kind of being one with the planet. And if you go into a lot of ancient spiritualities, they see nature as one with ourselves, and the energy of the elements as being mixed and mingled with our own energy. So as we do this meditation, you don't necessarily have to be in a space like I am right now. You can be just in your room, anywhere that there is air around you, so everywhere. And that is part of air. For instance, like, it's so abundant and it's all places, and we don't really think about it as an element, but it definitely is one. It's the vacant space between fire and water. It's the space between our minds and our roots. You know, like it is that vacant space between that neither is good or bad, just kind of there. Now, as we meditate with it, we're going to focus first on the physical air entering our bodies, leaving our bodies. We're going to imagine that it is entering our whole body and really try to follow the air into your body. Now, you're going to want to kind of tune your mind into what air actually is, what it feels like around you, what are its direct qualities. To give you an example, when I was doing meditation with air for the first times, I realized that all light, all sound is transmuted by air. And that is a quality of air. It brings those things to you. It is the communicator between all people, all times, and all places. If we didn't have that space between and air to transmit those signals, then we wouldn't be able to do a lot of things. We wouldn't be able to do anything. Reality would cease to function, you know? And a lot of ancient spiritualities see that. They see air as the mediator, as the communicator, as the mental world, you know, the space between thoughts, the space between thoughts and people. And it is true that if you meditate with the energy of air more and more, then you will start to be able to communicate better and better. And that's some of the qualities of meditating with air, is that you'll be able to communicate better. You know, you'll have more clarity of mind, more abundance of ideas. And as you go deeper within magic, within meditation, within these things that I'm going to teach you, you'll be able to send ideas through the astral plane to other people. You'll be able to send your thoughts, your emotions, and you'll be able to influence things that way. And spread emotions that way too. Send love, send hate, whatever you choose. So essentially what we're gonna do is I'm gonna do this meditation with you, and I'll guide you through it in the best way that I can. And yeah, you feel free to do it on your own. This will probably be about 5 to 7 minutes, and let's dive into this together. So, take a few minutes just to clear your mind and be still. You're going to want to focus on your breathing. Be very aware focus on the air around you as well. Feel if it's cold or warm. Be aware that it surrounds you on all sides. It's inside you, outside of you, surrounding you. Breathe very deeply, filling the air in your whole body. Now put your mind on the abundance of air, how it's all places around you, filling up the universe around you. Know that it's air that is between every planet. It's air that's between all things, filling up space. It touches all things. It goes within all things. There's air within your blood. There's air within your bones. Notice that how you focus on the air becomes more, you feel more light, a little less grounded. Almost like you might float away. Focus on your third eye chakra, bringing you into that feeling, into that energy. Feel yourself constantly going up and up, into the infinite spaces of air. That air is one of the celestial realms of healing and of light, of expansiveness. Embrace that feeling of liberation, not being tied to the earth, not being tied to the heavens. I want you to focus on one thing that you'd like to send to the world through the power of air. Set your intent. Breathe in that intent. Then release it with your out breath into the world and through the power of air. Time to feel the ground underneath you become more obvious to you. Ground yourself with your breath. You might want to open your eyes and just look around you. Now, with this meditation, I hope that you saw what I mean about the energy of air. If you didn't, take time to do it a few times. Elemental magic is typically something that is not very normalized. Not a lot of people do it, but it's the elements that are around us all the time. It's their energies that are around you all the time, and being familiar with those energies and understanding them and being actually masters of them is definitely something that is very powerful once you embrace it. So do this meditation, feel its effects, and you'll start to see really cool things happen in your life. Like communication will get better. Not only that, but if you use it within ritualized settings, like if you really focus your intent, let's say you really want to communicate something to a certain person, and you'd use air meditation to do that and to focus that will, you're going to find that your communication with that person gets much better, that what you're trying to communicate is communicated without even saying so sometimes. And that is the power of magic. That is the power of this air element and mastering it. It's really the power of mastering your intellect, of your communication, and of your sense of balance between good and evil. Because if you think about it, air is not tied to the heavens. It's in the heavens. It's around the heavens. It understands the heaven. It touches it. But it's also not tied to the earth. But it touches the earth. It's in the earth. So it's not in the depths of either of these, but it is both. So very, very important energy for your life. If you're into astrology, you'll know what I mean. This Libras, Libras, air signs, Geminis, Aquariuses. You'll all embrace this energy in a different way, but still, it's there. You're neither here or there, and you have a very dual perception without really picking sides. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this meditation. If you do, feel free to check out the other ones in the coming days, as well as if you want to get deeper within meditation, within healing, within magic, then click the link below and you'll see all my offers there. I have a free shadow healing course. I have a shadow healing course. It's $37, and it will teach you how to use meditation and ritual to go deep within your trauma and really grow past that trauma and use it to fuel your highest self. So getting past the cycles of trauma and really growing. As well as I have a free shadow healing book, is what I meant to say earlier. And you can learn some of the techniques of shadow healing through that book, and kind of dive in before you get into the course if you want to check that out. It's all in the link below. I'll see you guys tomorrow.